This is it? I and we the faculty, the staff with whom you work so well, the students, and your loving fan club of alumni, we know that you are ready for this role, and we happily place our trust in you as captain of our ship. In the crowded sea of Jewish institutional life, our vessel may appear small, but the cargo we carry is vital. We are uniquely positioned to think out of the box as we train leaders for an unknown Jewish future. Unhampered by denominational labels, able to think beyond conventional categories, able sometimes even to go beyond conventional ways of thinking about the borders between religious and secular approaches, embracing the entirety of the Jewish people, concerned with the entirety of Jewish tradition. We look for new models of both community and leadership suited to Jewish life in the 21st century. You are the one who will lead our vessel to new shores, both physically, finding us a new home, but in the spirit as the years go forward. We offer you our collective blessing and support in this great effort. Andy? The document. There it is. Say a word about it.
So you're going to talk, you want to read about it?
We have prepared a document in Sharon's honor, a testament of our,
yes, I got some notes here. Sorry.
of our
Yes.
appointment.
So Rabbi Green and I will read the statement of affirmation confirming Rabbi Sharon Cohen Anisfeld as the 9th president of Hebrew College. So you may follow along with the English and Hebrew in your program book. You have this here.
המכללה העברית, תעודת מינוי הנשיאה. חברי ועד הנאמנים של המכללה העברית, העומדת על סף 100 שנה לקיומה, מודיעים בזה את מינויה של הרב שרון הכהן אניספלד לנשיאות המוסד. בקבלתה עליה את אחריות ניהול המוסד והמשך קיומו, הבטיחה הנשיאה את נאמנותה לערכי יסוד אלה, שעליהם המכללה עומדת: אהבת תורה, ערבות, אלו ואלו, ויצירה.
We, the members of the Board of Trustees of Hebrew College, affirm the appointment of Rabbi Sharon Cohen Anisfeld as the 9th president of Hebrew College as we look toward the 100th anniversary of the establishment of this institution. In taking upon herself responsibility for leadership of the college and a commitment to its continued vitality, the president promises to be faithful to these enduring core values upon which the institution stands. Ahavat Torah, love of Torah. Arvut, communal responsibility. Elu v'elu, engaging diversity. Yetzirah, Jewish creativity.
We won't hand it to you now, it's a little bit big.
All right. All right. Very proud of you. This is great. You'll be a great partner.
Do you present the book of blessings?
I think, do I do the book of blessings now? All right, great. Do I do that now? Yes. Hey, Art.
Thank you. I would look for them.
So we have one more thing before Sharon speaks. I just want to say, so this is a book of blessings that since the very first ordination ceremony at the rabbinical school 10 years ago, that Sharon has bestowed a unique blessing upon each graduating student. And so tonight, to close this ritual of installation, the rabbis ordained at Hebrew College wish to reciprocate and bestow blessings upon her. They have put together a book of blessings, which includes poems, artwork, and almost 100 blessings. I'd like to ask Rabbi Sonia Saltzman, as a representative of the first rabbinical school class at Hebrew College, and Rabbi Elizabeth Bonnie Cohn, as a representative of the most recent class to be ordained, to present the Book of Blessings. Before you go, let me just... And Rabbi Mika Shapiro, ordained in 2017, will lead us in his original composition of Oseh Shalom, together with the Hebrew College students and alumni.
Shalom Aleinu ve'al kol Yisrael ve'al kol yoshvei tevel. Oseh shalom b'mroma u'yaseh shalom Aleinu ve'al kol Yisrael ve'al kol yoshvei tevel. Oseh shalom b'mromav u'yaseh shalom Aleinu ve'al kol Yisrael ve'al kol yoshvei tevel. Join us. Oseh shalom b'mromav u'yaseh shalom Aleinu ve'al kol Yisrael ve'al kol yoshvei tevel. Oseh shalom b'mromav u'yaseh shalom Aleinu ve'al kol Yisrael ve'al kol yoshvei tevel. Oseh shalom b'mromav u'yaseh shalom Aleinu ve'al kol Yisrael ve'al kol yoshvei tevel. Oseh shalom